Hi, it's Michaela. I am back doing another Dutch pour. This is a simple one on a little 6x6. I got the Amsterdam titanium white down, which is about 45 to 50% water. I'll put all the info on colors in the description box. And I'm just trying to create an even layer here. Sometimes I just really want to pour just because I love watching the colors mix and the paint flow. So this video is pretty close up of that. Hope you guys enjoy watching the process. This first color is Winsor blue. And then I added a little more white. And this is a primary blue. All the blues look the same on the video, but they're not. That's a indigo I created with some violet and different blues to a shade I liked. This is Pebeo green blue. It's an iridescent color. And then last is this Pebeo iridescent precious gold. I used way too much of this, in my opinion, and had some problems later because of it. And now I'm just flooding around the puddle. This sort of traditional Dutch pour technique, created by Rinske Douna is what I'm doing. And then I'm blowing the white over the color puddle, torching to get cells. Also, I don't know if you saw, but I did torch before I blew it out to get rid of air bubbles. And then here I'm pulling out the puddle. I got a lot of really cool cell action and movement, but it was kind of messy looking, so I ended up blowing it out a lot, and also there was too much paint on there. So I'll let you guys watch the rest of this and I'll be back. Okay, so I'm just doing some final little touch-ups here. You can see I blended it a lot and basically just kind of cleaned it up, blew off a lot of paint. And then this is the result that I ended up posting on my Instagram video. I stopped here, but and it's really pretty, but you see all this gold and these big gold cells on the right. It just kept spreading, and I knew there would be muddy areas and not enough negative space. So I ended up taking all that off and blending some more. And I do like this end result here. It's not dry. So that was yesterday, and this is this morning. But here there's so many beautiful details and cells. It really reminds me of like ocean movement, especially where I live right now in San Diego. Like the sand is kind of that color of the gold, and then got some really clear, beautiful blue waters right now. So that was my inspiration, and I hope you like this. I will post the dried result on my Instagram. Please let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.